Hello student, today we are doing very important theorem of measure theory. Theorem 1 is prove that phi is measurable set. Okay, so let's prove. Let A be set of reals and E is measurable set, then we know that we know that what we know, the definition of measurable set is outer measure of A equal to outer measure of A intersection, because A is measurable, and I think you already aware about uh, this equation. Outer measure of A is outer measure of A intersection A plus outer measure of A intersection A complement. This is the for measurable set. Okay, this is for measurable set. Okay, now we have to prove phi is measurable set. Let put here, put E equal to 5 in equation 1. Okay, here we can see measure of A equal to outer measure of A intersection phi plus A intersection here complement of phi. Okay, we can see outer measure of A equal to, we know that A intersection phi is, you know that A intersection phi, and uh, we can write here A intersection phi complement is full set, then A intersection full set is again A. Okay, so we can write here A. Okay, we know that measure of outer measure of phi is null set is 0 measure of phi. Okay, here we can see outer measure of A. Then when we put E equal to phi, then we again find the result uh, outer measure of A. It implies phi is measurable set. Okay, one another theorem we want to prove here. Uh, Note down. If prove that R is measurable set. Okay, so we prove this theorem by similarly as we prove earlier theorem. Let A be set of reals, ठीक है, okay, and E is measurable set. Okay, then we know that definition of measurable set, outer measure of A is outer measure of A intersection E plus outer measure of A intersection E complement. Okay, we will do this theorem similarly as we, okay, here we put E equal to R. Okay, now we can see outer measure of A equal to outer measure of A intersection R plus outer measure of A intersection R complement. Okay, we can see here uh, A intersection R, we know that will be A, and A intersection R complement. Then it again A intersection R complement. R complement is phi. R complement is phi. A intersection phi will be phi, and we know that outer measure of phi is 0. Outer measure of phi is 0. Then it equal to, so it is equal to outer measure of A. It implies that R is measurable set. I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please subscribe channel and share to your friend. Okay, thank you very much.